This is Diecast Dave here. I got a video of 10 of the cars from my collection. I decided to crack most of them. I cracked about 120 the other night. I'm going to show them to you. Let me know if you want to see them already cracked or want me to actually crack them open. I know some people like that. But either way, here we go. The first one is 27 Camaro ZL1. Very pretty. Put me a little bit of that J-Leno quick detailer on it. Prettied it up for y'all. I tell you, they look a lot better out of the pack than in. You can't tell how nice the paint is or anything, or detail or nothing with them in. These ain't gonna be worth anything in my lifetime anyway. They make millions of them, and I want to crack them. My wife said if I want to open them, play with them, that I'd go right ahead. She was fine with it. As long as Mama's happy, everybody's happy, right? It's a nice looking rider there. The next we have the 75th anniversary Mattel circle tracker. It's a nice one too. They look so much better cracked. Don't you think? My little grandson Jack, he's into Hot Wheels and Matchbox. I buy the 5-packs, the ones that I want. I give them to him. He loves them. And now the next one is this little old Valentine's Day Volkswagen Beetle. I believe it'd look a lot better with the wheel swap. I like to take those wheels and tires and throw them in the creek, because those mud tires are butt ugly. That'd look good with the tampos off of it and some real riders on it. I had a 73 Bug. I liked it. Real pretty blue. Years ago, about 25 years ago. I get $500 for it. Now here's one I didn't think would look so good taken out of the pack. Is the 06 Pontiac GTO in blue. It's a drag car with a wheelie bar and the skinnies in the front. You don't really see them on Hot Wheels, the skinnies like it. So I bought it. Now I gotta find the orange one that I never bought. Check out that paint. I mean, you can't tell how great these little cars are painted or detailed until you take them out of that pack. And it surprises me they can still only charge you like $1 for them. Very nice indeed. And the next one is the one I got recently. The 67 Chevy C10. With the chrome interior, chrome bed. Big conduction hood on it. It don't look half as good in the pack. Quite a bit of detail. Maybe one day they'll paint the taillights and headlights on. We can only hope. I like a lot of them without a tampo on, unless it's racing. And this is the old Roger Dodger Magic 8-Ball. I bought this, I believe, back in the beginning of the year. I was going to try to collect them all with the different sands. I was like, one's enough. I mean, it's nice too. I like a Roger Dodger. I got a few different variants of it. Some nice slick black paint on there. I like it Magic 8-Ball tampo on the rear quarter panels. The old 1960s motif. The next one, you've seen this one a million times, but I love it. This will be one I'll custom if I ever go to. The old 55 Chevy Guster. Gasser. That is real nice out of the back. You really see the detail. Kind of looks plain looking in the pack. A little bit of that Jay Leno's quick detail there puts a shine on. Next one's another one. It's the Big R Bel Air. This is part of my collection. Y'all have all seen this one probably a million times. But if you take it to the back and look at the tampos on this car, all the racing decals and stuff on it, I mean, it really is nice. Really nice casting. A lot of detail to it. Kind of plain in the pack. I like the racing tampos. Now I'll have to go try to find the other one and buy it. Since I'm cracking them. Now some of I ain't gonna crack. Like most of the Camaros, I don't crack Camaros. I collect Camaros. This here's the 67 Camaro Worldwide. I mean, look at the tampos on that. I mean, that is nice. You don't notice that in the pack. I got the gold almost. Collect them all. Every 67 Camaro I can find. Every Chevy Nova I can find. I mean, that really is a nice casting. Boy, I left a lot of them on the bags back in the summer. I got a few of them, but I'm going to leave some other else a chance. This here's my favorite out of this bunch. 68 Nova SS with a white interior and the L88 hood. Maybe it was a 396. I'm not sure, it might be. That's my favorite out of this bunch, 10. Let me know which one's y'all's favorites. That right there is a beautiful casting, man. I got it at the flea market. 6 Hot Wheels in the pack for $5. Man, you can't beat that stick. Lord, that is a pretty car. My first car was a 73 Nova. I'd give anything to have that car back. Well, that's going to do it for this time. I'll catch you on the flip side. Like, comment, subscribe.